In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to conduct Zoom meeting as a host. First, open your Zoom desktop app. Once you're on the home screen, you'll usually see options to schedule a meeting for later or start one right away. For this example, we're going to launch a meeting immediately, so click New Meeting. After that, a small setup window will appear. In this window, you can quickly prepare everything before going live. You'll have controls to mute or unmute your microphone, turn your camera on or off, and set up your background if you want a cleaner or more professional look. You can also choose which microphone and camera Zoom should use, which is helpful if you have multiple devices connected. Take a moment here to make sure everything looks and sounds right. When you're ready, click Start. Now give Zoom a few seconds to open the meeting window. Once you're inside the meeting, look at the bottom of your screen for the participants section. Click the small upward pointing arrow on the right side of it, then select Invite. This opens the invitation window where you can invite people directly from your contacts. You can also switch to the email tab and choose your preferred email service to send the invite that way. If you want a faster option, look at the bottom of that same window where you can copy the invite link or copy the full invitation and send it manually to the people you want to join. As the host, you'll also have several important controls available during the meeting. If you click Participants, a panel opens on the right side where you can manage attendees. From there, you can mute everyone at once, and if you click the More Options icon, you'll see additional participant settings you can control. If you click Share, Zoom will open a window where you can choose exactly what you want to present, such as a screen, a window, or other available content. You can also switch to the Documents tab if you want to use the whiteboard. The Host Tools section gives you more control over the meeting environment. Here you can lock the meeting, enable the waiting room, hide profile pictures, and manage what participants are allowed to do, like sharing screens, chatting, renaming themselves, unmuting, starting video, or sharing documents. If you click Record, you can start recording the meeting. And if you open the More menu, you'll find additional features such as captions, breakout rooms, docs, and notes. When you're done, click End in the bottom right corner. Then choose whether you want to end the meeting for everyone or simply leave the meeting yourself. And that's it.